Shortcut number 1. Zoom in or out. To quickly change the zoom, think of the words View Zoom. A simple way to change the zoom is to press Alt-V-Z. This opens the zoom box. The zoom box is useful to control visibility. Notice that the cells on the spreadsheet are very small. Let's make it bigger. Press Alt-C to jump to the custom box. That's because C is the underlined letter in the box. We'll enter 150%. Much better. Shortcut number 2. Show or hide the grid lines. It can be useful to remove the grid lines when you want your spreadsheet to have a cleaner look and feel. The keystroke is Alt-W-V-G. Shortcut number 3. Auto-fit your column widths. If a column isn't wide enough, you will see the pound sign instead of the actual contents of the cell. This tip is useful when you need to quickly resize columns. Highlight all your cells, then press Alt-H-O-I. Shortcut number 4. Inserting rows and columns. Here's a great tip that's not very well known. To quickly insert a row, think of the words Insert Row. A simple way to insert rows is to press Alt-I-R. This also works for inserting columns. Think of the words Insert Column. Alt-I-C quickly inserts a column. This is useful when you want to quickly insert rows or columns. Shortcut number 5. Adding or removing borders around cells. This shortcut is useful when you want to add or remove borders all at once. To remove a border, press Ctrl, Shift, and the underscore key. To add a border, press Ctrl, Shift, and the ampersand. For more Tuesday Timesavers, modeling tips, and Marquee Group training programs, let's connect.